Hello SS2 economic students, you're welcome to class. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at capital market. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to define the capital market. You should be able to state the functions of the capital market. You should be able to explain the stock exchange market, the categories or the branches of the stock exchange market, and you should also be able to explain the functions of the stock exchange market and speculators in the floor of the stock exchange market. Let's go. Capital market. This is a market where medium and long-term securities are bought and sold. The capital market is a market where medium and long-term securities are bought and sold. Now, what are the functions of the capital market? One, it provides an avenue for investment. It provides a platform which individuals can invest their money. Number two, it helps to mobilize savings. It encourages people to save. That is, by saving, savings that you make is meant for investment in the stock exchange market. Three, it provides employment for those ones that are engaged in the market. It provides an avenue for developing the country. Five, it provides capital for it provides funds for executing capital projects. Especially, it's a place where government can access money in order to execute its capital project. Stock exchange market. A stock exchange market is a part of the capital market where securities are traded, and these kind of securities that are traded are mostly old and existing securities. Now, the capital market is divided into two basic branches. That is the stock exchange market and the stock exchange market and the second tier security market. Now, the stock exchange market deals in the sale of old and existing securities. Now, the stock exchange market is divided into two kinds of markets. You have the primary market and the secondary market. The primary market is a market where new securities are traded, while the secondary market is a market where old and existing securities are traded. Now, having said that, I want you to understand some of the functions of the stock exchange market. Now, it's a market that helps to regulate businesses. It provides a platform for investment of capital. It provides technical advice for individuals that are engaged in business investments. It provides short-term and long-term loans for individuals that need money for investment. It helps to execute capital projects of the government. It provides corporate organizations with finances in order to float their business and in order for expansion. Now, it also helps to foster development of a country. Who are the members of the stock exchange market? We have four basic members of the stock exchange market. They are the broker. The broker is an agent that brings together the jobber, who is the actual dealer in the stock exchange market, and a client. Now, the broker charges his client, he brings the client to contact with the jobber. The broker earns brokerage as a commission for his activities. Now, the next person is the jobber. The jobber is the actual dealer in the stock exchange market. He quotes two prices for the securities in which he deals in. He quotes the selling price and the buying price. The selling price is mostly higher than the buying price, and the difference between his selling price and the buying price is called the jobber's stone, which is his own profit. Then you have the authorized clerk. The authorized clerk is an agent or an employee of the broker who is allowed to operate on behalf of the broker on the floor of the stock exchange market, while the unauthorized clerk is an employee of the broker that is not allowed to engage in the floor or to buy or sell securities on behalf of the broker. Now, speculators in the stock exchange market. We have basically three kinds of speculators in the stock exchange market. They are the bear, the bull, and the stag. The bear is an individual that buys shares. He buys shares or he buys securities with the hope that the price will actually increase. This individual takes the risk of buying shares today with the hope that the price of the shares will appreciate or increase so that he can sell at a profit. A stag, sorry, a I've talked about uh, a bull. Sorry, a bull rather. A bull is an individual that buys shares today and hopes that the price will increase so that he can sell at a profit. That's a bull. The next person is a bear. A bear is an individual that buys shares today or that buys shares with the hope that the price of the shares will fall before delivery date so that he can sell at a profit. If an individual buys shares today and hopes that before he delivers the shares to his customer, the price will fall, what he is doing is speculating as a bear. Now, when the price falls, he is able to sell these same shares at a profit. The next person is a stag. A stag only deals in the purchase and sale of new securities. So those are the speculators on the floor of the stock exchange market. Now we've come to the end of today's topic. If you have questions, please post in the question and answer section, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.